I can't get out of this, Dream.
What do you mean? Just break the block below you. Just break the block below you.
I don't trust that. I can see it goes down far. I'm not breaking the one below me.
Trust me, it's fine. It's fine.
Oh my god, I almost... Okay. No!
Where am I?
No! How did you do that? How did you do that?
What do you mean, how did I do that?
Where am I?
This is so loud. Die.
Where am I?
Please die. Please.
Where actually am I? Oh wait! Please! Please! Oh! Yes! Yes!
What?
Keep talking, keep talking.
Talk. Actually, the Ender Dragon's lagging a
Oh
little
my
bit.
god! He just
Yes! 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 Yes!
What the hell? Like I'm just... Oh my god. Oh wow. Wait. Oh wow, okay.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes! Yes! No way. Oh my god. Please come down.
I could probably one-shot it with my fist.
It's so low. It's so low.
Did you see me?
Yeah?
Oh, I thought you were just... Wait, I'm drowning. No! What the hell? I can't move. Eat. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, that was genius. I got your stuff.
That's like... That shouldn't be allowed.
What do you mean that shouldn't be allowed?
That literally shouldn't be allowed.
Why? I just outclassed
Because
you.
I was stuck. I couldn't move.
Yeah, exactly.
You think I'm not gonna catch you? Yeah, look, I'm here.
You're gonna catch me?
Yeah, I'm literally in the water right here.
Well, I'll get around you.
Hey, don't mind me. I'm just gonna. No! Don't! Seriously, don't.
No, what?
Oh.
What?
I'm placing torches down here. I'm placing torches. I can. No! No! No!
How are you moving?
God.
Yes! Yes, you idiot! That's all. And then I can win. I
Then you
mean,
need to go to the stronghold. You need to find it. Then you need to fill it in. And then you need to kill the Ender Dragon. So yeah, that's what you gotta do before I click you once.
well, when you put it like that. Oh god.
Doing displays. Come on. Oh.
I just
owned
him! I just owned him!
I run. Give it your best.
Run and I hide. That's what I do.
And if you get hit, you get hit.
Ah! No! No! Please! Please! No!
Oh my god! You tanked it! What?
No! That hurt!
What? You got withered! No way! You tanked it.
Please, I don't want to do this anymore.
That's impressive. How did you do that?
I don't want to do it anymore. After the first one, I just couldn't even feel.
Yeah, but you got shot like 4 times in a row.
It was like 6 times. It was even more. It was so many times. It was so many times. My heart, like actually right now, my heart is going crazy.
There's no way you just did that.
How much do I need to donate for you to turn that shock machine on during MCC? Screw. Someone in chat said it's just a game, bro. Fuck you. What? What?
One of these times you're gonna be blocking and the blaze is going to...
Ah, no!
Oh
you
God.
motherfucker! Fuck! Please. How long do I have it for? Okay, Pigman, I get it. You're mad. No, no, no! No, I'm not lying! No! No! No!
Dream.
Yeah?
you want to like cuddle later?
Maybe.
Oh my shaft.
Oh, go in the
Dream.
Oh my god. I can hear loads of mobs.
You guys
put the-
both just scream at me when I was being a genius.
I thought you were gonna die, like for sure.
Oh my god, there's so many. Why are there so many? Kill them, Sapnap. Okay, fine, eat.
Dude, stop being indecisive.
Come on.
Oh, get it.
I'm helping us.
Nice. How
Five?
many do we have? 5? Okay, we
Five.
need more. Get him. Get him. They can't hit me. Let's go.
Through.
Let's go. They go straight through me.
Wait, that's why it's so easy. We probably would have died by now.
Water.
There.
It wasn't that quick, but it was still good.
Blocks.
Still
Okay, there.
good. Yeah, that was pretty
Axe.
What? I wasn't ready for axe.
Oh, he's not ready.
Can we just go to the surface? Like, there's no Enderman left.
good. Do we?
Yes, there's no
there's
Enderman
nothing
left.
here.
Kill the stupid skeleton.
Why are we running in circles?
We're not running in circles.
Yes, we are.
were. You're
We
still
ru-
going
we're
in
running in circles.
Oh,
Wait.
You
you're giving me a headache.
You've been running in a circle this whole time.
Wait, you
dude.
actually thought you
Oh
weren't
my
running in
God.
circles?
We weren't running in circles.
Stop!
Dude.
No, we keep going in circles. Go down. You have to go down.
Wait, go down where?
No, it's not.
It's pretty new. Wait, what?
Why it just keeps going down and down and down?
We just went down like 10 staircases. It still
we're going
goes
down
down. Wait, is that this way? George, 1787 is this way. That's this way? It is not this way. George, what is it? Our ravine.
Why are you saying George?
Because listen, our ravine was here. Our ravine.
I don't know, okay? That's just what I wrote down. Maybe I wrote it wrong.
Are you
Maybe
serious?
it was just really far away. I don't know. I find blue flowers. I'm colorblind. This game is
colorblind.
against my disability. Dumb zombie archway thing. One more time, Dream. I swear. Dude, that's a circle. Stop.
I don't know what's not a circle.
I'm gonna. I go down there. Why haven't we been down there yet? Go down.
What?
Oh.
Oh, prepare to take some damage. Ow.
Oh my god, no.
Dude, you're so fat you have to hold 2 different foods at once.
Wait, how do I? Wait, what?
Wait, you're eating the chicken?
Oh, I can't eat anymore. I don't have any more hunger.
Wow.
I was gonna
Chill.
switch.
Okay, let's go.
Give me food. I'm on like 1 heart. Okay. So let's go over here. There's iron.
Okay, yeah.
Have a torch.
Are you serious?
Never dig straight down in Minecraft.
Oh my god.
It's meat.
I don't know.
Look at us go. Look at us go. Yeah. Stand next to us. Stand next to us. Come on. No,
We
we're
gotta
gonna
find
find
one
one.
to do
Stand
it.
next to us.
In the line. Not in front of him, in the... Wait, let's see what it's saying. Wait, it's like
Wait,
1,
wait,
2,
wait, watch.
3, 4.
Wait, no, he needs to be in the middle because he has the white bed.
Okay, yeah. Oh wait, and you be off center. So wait, yeah, you stay on that hand. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Me and Dream are on sync.
No, I don't. Wait.
Me and Dream are on sync.
In sync?
How is it perfectly in sync? How is it going this long? How is it? George, you're still out of sync. I can't see. I can't get. I can't stop. You were so off.
fuck's sake, George.
I'm posting this clip to Twitter.